What's going on, guys? It's Assad from Motorsport Valley. Today we are going to be doing a complete Liquimoly engine flush along with Liquimoly 540 Moly Gen. Alright, so the first step is going to be grab your e-brake and engage. And now we're going to go ahead and raise the driver's side up. So what we essentially did is raise the driver's side. Once we got clearance, we put this jack here at the mounting point. On the E46, it's going to be right here. Oh yeah, now we're jacking it up from the front so we can put jack stands on the passenger and driver side. Alright guys, now we are on the passenger side. Locking it. Alright George, now can I have you slowly bring it down? Great. Alright. Yeah. Now we got some stability, some safety, you know? Well, George kind of did this without telling me.
Oh, do you do it on the diff?
No, you're supposed to do it on that bracket in front of the diff.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
I know you could do it on the diff if you want.
Alright, but you shouldn't. Okay, so it looks like George got the backside up. Now it's fully leveled. Alright guys, so here we have the engine flush. So you want to have your engine at operating temperature, just, you know, a little warmed up. And then you want to add it into your engine, let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes, and then drain out your oil like a regular oil change. So let's get to it.
I gotta try it on the M3. Oh, that's just liquid.
Alright, so we got that in there. So we got the engine flush in there. Now it's time to idle for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so I just set a timer for 14 minutes and we'll come back. Alright guys, so that was 15 minutes with the engine flush idling, and now we're just going to do a general oil change. I'm also going to replace these O-rings on the filter housing right here, because I don't remember the last time I replaced these, so I'm just going to do those as well. And then obviously you're going to replace the seal that's around the head and insert the filter.
Convertibles are so cheap.
Why?
Somewhere around there.
Alright, so George here just loosened up the drain plug, and I'm gonna get a little test. So we just got draining the oil. I put the drain plug back on. We got a new filter on there, and now we're gonna add some cheaper oil for demonstration purposes to just flush the whole entire system out, because there is some residual engine flush in there and we just want to make sure that it's all cleared out. So let's get to it.
The Costco oil be busting.
Yeah guys, I mean honestly the Costco oil is not bad, and yes, this is 530. Yeah, I should be putting 540, but I really don't care. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it. Our levels are looking perfect. So now what I'm gonna do is idle it for another 10 to 15 minutes and then do another oil change to get everything out. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so I have George up in the bay loosening up the filter, and I'm down here about to remove the drain plug. So once he's done with that, I'm going to start doing this. Well, I guess I can start loosening it up a little bit.
You're loosening the...
Yeah, I'm loosening it. Everything. Oh, can you take the dipstick up? Got it. I'm going to go ahead and replace the air filter in here. Alright guys, so I just put a new crush washer and the drain plug back in the oil pan, and we already put the filter in the filter housing and a new air filter. Now the only thing left to do is just add the 540 Moly Gen, run it, and we should be done. So let's get to it. The oil is green.
You got green oil.
This was the original oil with the flush, and this was the oil after the flush, just so you guys can get a side-by-side comparison. We just got done with the engine flush, 2 oil changes, one with 530 Kirkland oil, and then the other one with the Liquimoly. The car sounds amazing. It sounds like it's running really nice, so I can't wait to go test it out. Shout out George for helping me out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.